Nemetschek Allplan continues to set the standard with regard to intuitive operation. The software caters for current trends and provides a new high-performance 2D, 3D modeling function in the new Allplan 2012 version, the so-called Allplan SmartParts. The ergonomically perfected Options dialog box serves as the central hub for all program settings. This eliminates the need for inconvenient searches for different functions. The optimized screen regeneration in Allplan also makes it possible to simultaneously display more details as well as effortlessly edit larger models. See for yourself. An individual concept and a memorable design are often motivating aspects for architects and engineers. With the further development of technical possibilities, it is now also possible to implement ideas that were previously difficult to realize or which were considered to be unaffordable. Free-form languages are now also being used increasingly. In addition to the demands on design and form, the expectations regarding realistic design representation and visualization are also increasing. Ever shorter time windows means it has become necessary to quickly have access to current and real objects, ideally with flexible forms and handling characteristics. Allplan 2012 is also following these trends and thereby provides planners with a new powerful tool, the Allplan SmartParts. SmartParts are flexible. They have been designed to guarantee the user the greatest possible freedom when designing. You can quickly and easily edit classic primitive forms as well as complex forms using the handles or via the dialog boxes. The handles always display the values to be changed as well as the editing direction. SmartParts can be used in many different ways, as draft designs for whole buildings or structural components, as the basis for freeform facades, or as a specific piece of furniture. SmartParts offer you the required flexibility. SmartParts are parametric Allplan CAD objects. However, each individual element contains its own behavioral logic, independent of the CAD system used. By activating the object with a double click, you can adjust the necessary variables such as dimensions or materials. And you can see in the live view the way in which new entries change the part. You can check the values in the dialog box or correct them at any time. Each smart part thus follows its own implemented principles. This rules out any warping or false scaling of individual objects. SmartParts facilitate your entry into the world of possibilities provided by parametric modeling. Using SmartParts couldn't be easier. Download them directly from the internet, for example, from the Allplan Connect service platform. Or import a range of objects in a compatible script language from a number of different manufacturers. SmartParts can also be quickly created by transferring 3D objects from SketchUp or from other 2D and 3D data sources. It is very often the case that even large libraries do not contain what you are looking for, or you're searching for something very special. Individualized SmartParts can be easily created in such cases. Begin with the first sketch and expand this step by step with 2D or 3D objects. Add parameters for dimensions, colors, and also materials. In this way, you can create your own customized SmartPart step by step. It is also possible to create complex compositions thanks to the integrated script language. Allow your ideas to continuously develop and create innumerable variations, irrespective of whether they differ by dimension, number of objects, or surface. You can rely on CAD objects and symbols every day to create your projects. You can also enhance your plans with furniture or other parts with just a few mouse clicks. Zoom in to the place where you would like to work. Then drag a smart part, e.g. from Allplan Connect, directly into your project. Moreover, many manufacturers already offer CAD data and libraries that you can also use. When inserting objects into Allplan, they will be converted from a script language into parametric SmartParts if necessary. These naturally remain flexible so that you can also subsequently change dimensions, surfaces, or other parameters. Irrespective of whether you created the SmartParts yourself or got them from a manufacturer, you can use the intelligence of the objects, the built-in logic of the library elements, over and over again. After you have positioned the object in the project, activate it and adjust it to your concrete requirements. In this way, you can, for example, adjust the length of an object using handles and exchange the material in the dialog box. SmartParts not only make it possible to quickly and easily use new and current CAD objects, they also offer the option of experimenting with freeforms. You can insert a freeform object and make changes to it directly using the object handles. This makes it possible for you to create ideas outside the box and gives your projects a personal touch. Create memorable and individual designs with the aid of the new Allplan SmartParts. SmartParts facilitate an easier change to object-oriented working methods. They are more convenient and faster to use in projects than complicated designs that use individual 3D parts. You can also immediately create and check different variations and complete series of objects. And moreover, SmartParts are always available. It couldn't be more simple to realize your new ideas. Thanks to the user-friendly operation, you can work more effectively and have more time for other important aspects of your project.